What's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how this part of Sukuta looks in rainy season in the year 2025. So guys, without wasting more time, let me just turn the camera and start walking around here and show you guys how it looks here in the year 2025 in rainy season. As you guys can see, this is Sukuta for you in rainy season. Yeah, this is Sukuta for you in rainy season. So guys, it was raining here since last night, and then still now it is raining. As you guys can see, the rain haven't finally stopped, like it doesn't completely stop. It is still drizzling. It is still drizzling. Yeah, and that's the main Sukuta Masjid over there. Yeah. As you guys see, water flooding on the road because of there is no proper drainage here. That's why the water is flooding on the road. Huh? Serious? No. Gambian, yeah. Huh? YouTube. Yeah, the water is flooding. Yeah. Because of there's no proper drainage here. Yeah. That old lady behind me was asking, am I a Sierra Leonean? I'm like, no, I'm a Gambian. And then guys, the way I'm walking towards, it leads to Java. Yeah, it leads to Java. Guys, this is how the real life looks here in Sukuta while raining. Excuse me. Guys, I'm still in Sukuta. Yeah. And then guys, this is the main masjid of Sukuta. Yep, the main masjid of Sukuta. Guys, let me take a turn on my left hand side. which is here, and then the way I'm walking towards now, it leads to Latrikunda Saviji. Yep. And they are also, the government is also about to construct a new road here. As you guys can see, they already do the pavement, and then yeah. Wow. Guys, just look at this big river here. I'm just kidding. It is a standard raining water. Yeah, it's a rainwater. Just take a look, guys. This is the struggle people goes through. This is the struggle the people who use this road goes through in rainy season, just to be moving around here. Yep. And that's the Sukuta Latrikunda Garas over there. Yep. Guys, here is the Sukuta Latrikunda Garas. Yep. And then guys, let me show you this new road which the government is constructing here in this part of Sukuta. So these are the machines they are using to do the road construction here. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, they already put the asphalt on, they already put the asphalt on this road. Yeah, they put the asphalt here. Yeah, just take a look. Wow. And this is how this neighborhood of Sukuta looks. Yeah. And this is a masjid which they are constructing here. Yeah. So guys, this road goes all the way deep inside Nemakungu. Yeah, it goes all the way deep inside Nemakungu. It started from Sukuta, and then it runs through Nemosu. Yeah. And then guys, this is where I will end this video too. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is what I have for you in today's video here in Sukuta, the Gambia, West Africa. See you on the next video. Peace, love you, bye.